Welcome to our comprehensive masterclass on purple onions, from cultivation and harvest to the myriad health benefits they offer. Join us as we explore the journey from seed to plate and uncover the nutritional wonders of this versatile vegetable. Step 1. Planting the seeds. Begin your purple onion journey by planting seeds in well-draining soil. These resilient plants thrive in sunny locations and can be grown in various climates. Step 2. Nurturing growth. As the seedlings emerge, ensure they receive adequate water and sunlight. Purple onions are relatively low maintenance, making them an ideal addition to any garden. Step 3. Thinning and transplanting. Once the seedlings reach a suitable size, thin them out to allow for proper bulb development. Transplant the strongest seedlings to ensure ample space for growth. Step 4. Harvesting. When the onion bulbs have reached maturity, indicated by their firm texture and yellowing foliage, it's time to harvest. Gently lift them from the soil and allow them to dry. Step 5. Curing and storage. Lay the harvested onions in a well-ventilated area to cure. Once dry, trim the roots and store them in a cool, dry place for extended shelf life. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to growing, harvesting. Whether you're a gardener, chef, or health enthusiast, purple onions are a valuable addition to any lifestyle. Happy growing and healthy eating.